What the fuck? Holy shit! You're geeking right now. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording it. So what do... Shut up.
I'm Baby Slowspeed, aka Jeep Queen.
Anyway, all right. So where you go? You want to give it the full beans?
I'm a try.
All right, cool. We're gonna see.
I'm gonna crash this car.
What? No, you're not. Don't say that. See, it hands you the seatbelt.
Oh yeah, Mama is telling me about that. You gotta
sport displays for your Benz.
My Benz mode.
All right, we're gonna put in sport mode. Press this twice. No, just press it once because we don't want it to slip out. Cool. So sport. Put it down. The paddles. So just drive normal. What? Can you see? Barely.
How am I so low?
All right, let off. It's the burbles. Don't mind the burbles. All right.
Can I lift it?
Yeah, you just gotta move it up, like lift it up.
I feel like it's taking me both ways. All right.
All right. Okay. So you can go down this way.
This way?
Yeah. Signal like last minute. All right. Now hit the plus right here. The plus is a plus. Now go. No, you don't have to hit it again. Just hit it whenever you want to shift gears. So hit the minus when you want to go down.
Okay.
Down.
How do I know?
Because just when it's high in RPMs. Like at like 4,000, 5,000, whatever.
When it's 4, go up again?
5,000 go up. Yeah. Yeah. See, look, you can go whenever you want to. Yeah.
I felt it. It needed me.
All right, so we're gonna hook. All right, slow it down. Just rock out.
Stop touching it.
Yeah.
All right. So let's get past here.
All right, now just punch it. Don't worry about the plus and minus. Just floor it.
Oh shoot!
Let's show you gotta floor it, like.
I did floor it.
All right,
I got kids.
Floor it again, floor it.
No, I'm not flooring this shit. I'm gonna go back home.
Yo, all right, just drive normally.
Yeah, man.
Just press it a little bit. You gotta give it. See, it's not that bad. It only.
That's the what's it called? The thumbnail.
Oh yeah, I definitely do that. You can let off the gas. It pops when you let off. See?
Yeah, I see.
When you minus again, you get a little bit more burbles. Hold on.
Oh, shoot.
Now just go ahead. Go ahead.
Where am I
Go
going?
ahead. Right there.
Am I going left or right?
No, you're gonna go this way. Go right. All right. So when we coming out here, we're gonna come out here hot. So that means you're gonna punch in the first gear. I'm gonna shift the second, and then you can let off. All right.
All right. So all I do is punch it.
So it's gonna be like a 0 to 40. Not just yet. You gotta wait till we go straight. You see?
Close to the truck now.
Yeah, you good. You close enough, Lay. Yeah, you get a little closer. What you trying to do? What you trying to do?
Yo, it's crazy. This thing is so.
You like it?
I like your other car better.
You like my other car better? Why?
This one's a little.
It's a little too hot boy, right?
Yeah.
It's a little too fast. It's a little too much. Yeah, I think the same thing.
I did the sport mode in the other car coming home from school. All right, speed limit's 50.
All right, go ahead. Hit it. Keep going.
Shit! Shit! Oh my god! Ah, we did a little bit more than 50 though. Oh, all right, let's slow it down before the cops come out. You know, people like to call over here. You don't even gotta get caught. Bro, my stomach came out of my ass when I just did that.
All right, just hit it a little bit. Hit it.
It's definitely not the place to be.
Like, you can't be so scared right now.
What?
Huh? So what do you think? You think it's a little quick?
Yeah, we gotta do this.
All right, pull over right here. I'll take you for a drive.
No.
I'm not gonna wild out.
No.
I'm not.
No.
What?
I'm good. Hell no. You don't care.
No, Sean,
No.
I just pull over here. I can't go that fast because we're just gonna go straight back to the house.
Right here.
Yeah. All right.
Just the camera angle. I'm recording you, right?
You recording both of us. See, you can see.
Why can I still see the back of the car?
What do you mean? Why can you see the back of the car?
I'm still looking at the back of the car.
Don't get my stomach.
Oh man, see, I was trying.
You can't get.
Hey,
come on. Like, I told you I gotta go to the gym.
Gotta hit the angle. So you want my big face in the camera.
I ain't gonna go full crazy.
Alright, I'm trying to hold the camera steady.
What you say?
You need one. You need like a pop socket or something.
What's a pop socket?
Holder, so you can hold the camera.
Oh, you good? You good? You get your face more than mine, ish.
I'm trying to hide all the.
Me too.
Piece. I need some surgery before I get on YouTube. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad.
You know you can press it and you can hold the screen and then record. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, I gotta get in front of this car.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Oh.
He gonna go slow.
Yeah. Yo, chill. What the? Holy shit. You're geeking right now. Okay, alright. Okay, break. No. Break. What the fuck is wrong with this? I'm walking home.
I got you. Let me hit these.
Oh, wait, I gotta put my seatbelt.
Why you take it off? Why you take it
Because I'm about to walk home. Just stop the car. Okay, stop the car. I gotta put my seatbelt back on.
All right, I haven't really launched this car yet because.
Let me drive again.
I got you.
I'm gonna drive.
I got it. All right, just get both of us. Relax.
Yo, this video can't go on YouTube. I'm like a.
No, you be all right. Look at the camera. Show both of us.
You know when people say no, they mean no. Did y'all, you got the dash camera running too? So
yeah, dash camera's running, yeah.
So they can see how you tried to kill me, right?
Yeah.
I got you.
No, I'm just get the 0 to 60, that's all.
So he's gonna vlog right now.
All right, you ready?
I'm vlogging.
You ready?
While he's gonna try to kill me.
Are you ready?
Bro.
I'm only doing the 0 to 60,
pray
like
first.
just to the street.
Let's pray
All right.
first.
All right.
Bow your head. He's trying to kill me. I don't know what I did to him, but I take it back.
I don't know why it wasn't pushing hard. I gotta really get that intercooler. Heat soaked already.
Oh, it's hot? It's too hot?
Huh?
It's too hot?
Yeah. Sean, the camera's crooked.
No, it's not.
Oh, you fixed it.
It's not crooked. It's showing my face. He's driving past the house. He's trying to kill me.
How's your camera look so much better than mine?
I don't know. Yours sucks. It's like, no. You're using the back camera. I'm using the front camera. You shouldn't be using the front camera.
Oh, well, whatever. We already got all that footage.
Yeah. Of me about to die. Yeah, be careful because the boys will come.
You hold my phone, like?
Yeah, I got you. It's hard to hold it straight. Fuck. Yo, he almost lost control of the car. Yo, slow down. You almost lost control.
No, I didn't. I just slid out a little bit.
Look at you. They about to call the cops, man. Go home. Just go home. Oh, shit. Alright. That was so fun. Now that I have...
Alright, stop.
I'm gonna leave.
The stop button.
I'm gonna leave with my life.
Let me reverse.
I was just shooting something. You're a liar.
Who's a liar?
You.
I can't hit the garbage can. Up.
You hit
I
it,
let you
though.
boy hit it. Alright, so what do you think?
Okay. If we were on Too Fast, Too Furious, this is a perfect car.
Shut
But I got 2 car seats. So,
Dude, that's why you gotta live that vlog style,
I'm
bro.
gonna say this. I'm not buying the car.
You know?
If Slowspeed TV, aka Michael, if he ever asks you to get in the car, don't do it. My heart is still pumping. When I tell you, no, I've always trusted my brother driving, okay? Let's start off by saying that. I've always trusted him. Was just in the car there? No trust. I lost.
Oh, I didn't hit the trash can.
I told you.
I hit it.
I told you. Yeah.
Alright, so you don't close it out? You gotta tell him bye later, see you later?
Yeah, I'm not getting on 95 with him. That's the extra. You should have seen how people. We should have got their faces.
Yeah, we should have. Hopefully, I can on the dash cam. We'll see.
Oh yeah. All right, we out.
We out? We out?
How you do the we out?
I don't know. We out though.